Okay, we are doing some auto layout with Jeff today. So we already made our marks down here at 20 feet down there where the shadow box is. I like to do it on this side because then you don't have to figure in 9 feet right there. You can just start at 0 down here and it makes it a lot easier. So we're gonna do our measure and divide here from point A here all the way down there to point B where the box is. So Jeff, if you want to open up the screen, push the top arrow to the right. Okay, that is measure mode. Now push it one more time. That is layout mode. So now we want to do stall calculator. So you see down there it says push A for stall calculator, so push A. Okay. Now we are ready, so if you want to get lined up so you can see the laser in the box, it might be hard because the sun's on it, but you might have to crouch down a little bit behind it to see. Sometimes I wiggle it back and forth. Oh, there it is. Right there. So yeah, if you want to hit the red circle button right there once you're ready, when it's on the intersection, your dot laser. I think I'm ready. Alright, let's go for it.
Let's go.
Yep. And this one you don't have to be perfect on because you're just measuring it, but you can go a little faster if you want. That's good practice keeping it inside the box. I can see it. Not sure how well it shows up on the video. Yeah, basically right on that saw cut. But wait to hit it. Right now it says 8.7, but we want it to be 9-foot stalls, so we'll get 9.001. That's the best way to do it. So now we like that. So Jeff, if you want to push E for exit, that'll save it to our auto layout. Okay, so now it's saved, so you can see it down there. Okay, so now we'll go back, and now we're going to paint our dots where we want them. So Jeff, we have our auto layout still saved. We're still in the layout mode because we didn't turn the machine off. You want to push the 1 button just once. Now we're on auto layout mode. So now once we press our circle button on the left handle, it'll mark them out for us. There you go. And then once you lose it in the box, you just kind of eyeball it, look ahead. Perfect. Alrighty, so now we are doing the heads of the stalls, and we snapped a line. We did a perpendicular to arc to get our starting point up here. So now we are starting on that line, and we're going to go backwards first to get this first stall. We could have swung our arc over here, but I like to go over one stall. It seems to line up better that way. So Jeff, if you want to make sure your number 1's turned on, all right, and then you can hit the dot and go backwards 1 stall. And you can just follow the curve. You don't have to put the shadow box down there.